In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a company in Tally Prime. Creating a company in Tally Prime is a straightforward process, and you'll see how it can streamline your accounting tasks. Let's dive in and explore how to efficiently set this up. To begin, open Tally Prime on your computer. Once you've launched the software, you'll be greeted by the startup screen. Here, you'll want to choose the option labeled Create Company. If you find that a company is already open upon starting, simply press the shortcut key Alt+K, then select Create to proceed further. This small step ensures you're positioning yourself correctly to enter and manage the new company's details without any interference from previously entered data. Next, you'll be prompted to enter the company details, a crucial part of setting up. Start by entering the company name, which should be the official name used in your legal and business documents. Following this, input the mailing name. This might be similar to the company name, but can be tailored to suit your business's communication needs. Ensure you fill in the company's address accurately, as this will be essential for all billing and formal correspondences. Subsequently, specify the country and state, verifying regional details for taxation purposes, and add the company's PIN code. Having the phone number of the company is also pivotal. Inputting the correct phone number can facilitate smooth communication between you and Tally's support team, as well as with clients and vendors. Additionally, an email ID, though optional, should be added to enable easy online communication and handling of digital documents directly from Tally. As you continue, enter the financial year beginning from, which marks the start of the fiscal year. Carefully note the books beginning from field next, as this date signifies when your company's books and accounting records start within Tally Prime. This is fundamental for maintaining accurate records and having a clear snapshot of your financial standings from the get-go. An optional but highly recommended step is enabling security controls for your new company. This adds a layer of protection, helping safeguard sensitive financial data. Setting a strong, memorable password is vital to ensure that unauthorized access is prevented, keeping your business information secure. Furthermore, verify or configure the base currency. Since this is automated for Indian users to Indian rupees (INR), ensure it suits the specific needs of your company, making sure that all financial transactions are recorded correctly in your respective currency. Finally, it's time to save your newly created company. To do this, simply press Ctrl+A. Your information is now secure and ready for you to start using Tally for all your business accounting needs. In conclusion, setting up a company in Tally Prime is an essential step for effective business management. By following these clear and concise steps, you ensure accuracy and reliability in your financial records, leading to productive business operations. That's all for today's guide. Thank you for watching.